This is Huawei's new P50. Hey there, my name is Sam from Verse.com and today with a third rumors video about the new Huawei P50. And yes, we finally have a release date. The 29th of July is going to be the day when the long-awaited Huawei P50 series will be released. So let us go for one last time through all the rumors and facts that we collected so far about this new series of phones. And as always, if you'd like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's start straight away with our rumors review. Let the facts speak. This is the third video that features rumors about the new upcoming P50 series. Why hasn't it been released yet? Well, it could be because Harmony OS wasn't ready. Or it could be the fact that Huawei has some problems getting the part that they need. Due to the US embargo, Huawei is not able to get its processors. Which is why the P50 and P50 Pro get the Snapdragon 888L, which is a specially made processor that only features 4G capabilities. The P50 Pro Plus, on the other hand, will most likely get the remaining Kirin 9000 chipsets. And it could be that Huawei will launch this phone later than the other phones. And on top of that, it could be that it only will be available in China, since there are just a certain number of chipsets left. So much for the late release. Now let's take a look at the design. Well, Huawei itself leaked some images at the Harmony OS launch event on June 2nd that showed the camera part of the new phone. But we don't know which of the phones are actually shown. In our opinion, it makes sense that this was the flagship version, with the maxed out camera bump, therefore the P50 Pro Plus. Huawei's Consumer Business Group CEO, Richard Yu, described the new phone as, quote, "It is a sheer beauty with an ultra-thin and lightweight design and an iconic design language." As far as we saw, the new design will have a shiny finish. Rumor has it that they will come in 5 different colors. One of them appears to be gold, as a picture from Harmony's OS event shows. In the end, the new design approach that intentionally got leaked by Huawei basically confirmed the already leaked rumors of how the phone might look like. So the frame appears similar to the P40 series. The major change will be again the camera bump, which has 2 circular bumps beneath each other, with up to 4 or 5 cameras inside. Okay, so let's talk camera. The P series focused traditionally on the camera, which let us expect something great coming our way. And as you might have spotted in the teaser of the camera bump, Leica is still doing business with Huawei. They are again on board and co-engineered the camera of the new lineup. "Capture what you see" is one of the slogans which they teased the new camera with. And they also say this new phone will lift mobile photography to a new level. I mean, if that doesn't sound promising. To be expected is a 1-inch sensor like Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultras has. Well, Huawei didn't manage to be the first with a 1-inch sensor though. And if the big sensor is in every phone of the lineup is also questionable. There will be definitely differences in the lineup of how they are equipped. So has the P50 a regular telephoto, while the Pro and Pro Plus will have a periscope lens. The Plus will also have a TOF, a time of flight camera, which is an equivalent to the LiDAR scanner of the iPhone 12 Pro. Will it have a 200-fold zoom feature? Well, we don't know yet. And we also don't know if the 20-fold optical zoom will also happen. I guess that is something that we will find out when it gets released. One thing that I still want to mention is the expected first of its kind liquid lens. We were not able to find any news on that. I think we can get rid of the idea that this will actually happen, at least not in this lineup. There isn't anything new on the display, so we still expect the P50 to have a 6.3-inch flat display with 90Hz refresh rate, the P50 Pro to have a 6.6-inch curved display, and the P50 Pro Plus to have a 6.8-inch with a quad curved display, so curved edges on all 4 sides. Pro and Pro Plus will have a 120Hz refresh rate, which is a no-brainer. All 3 models will have a single camera-centered hole punch camera. The battery will be another surprise, because there's not really any leaks out there, but 4000 mAh for the P50 model, 4200 mAh for the P50 Pro, and 4500 mAh for the P50 Pro Plus are sizes that we can at least expect. There's also a rumor about a 135 watt lightning fast charger, which would be ridiculously fast. Of course, we expect the full specs to be revealed or confirmed in all their glory on the official Huawei P50 launch date, July 29th. One big downside is that, as same as with the P40 series, these phones almost certainly won't land in the US. The next time you hear from us concerning this series is hopefully going to be a comparison video. Till then, let us know what you think about these new Huawei devices. Will they be as good as the Huawei P40 phones, and which of them would you rather get? The P50, the P50 Pro, the P50 Pro Plus? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like to compare the newest smartphones and or other things, feel free to follow the link to our website. You can compare up to 7 different smartphones at versus.com. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Take care and see you soon.